In today's video, I'll show you how to exchange currency on Webull Canada. Now, for full transparency, I am not using Webull Canada here, but the layout for Webull South Africa and Webull Canada are almost identical. And for this specific tutorial, they are going to be the same steps. So what we want to do is we need to click on the center icon here, the Webull icon. And yours will probably have you at assets over here. And where you want to be is on transfers. Now you'll have a few more options, but the one we're looking for is currency exchange. And this is where the magic happens. So where mine says USD, you would obviously change to Canadian dollars, and then you would change to over here to USD or whatever else. And when you're happy, you'll hit exchange now. On the right is where you adjust your amounts. And on the top is where you can see the current currency conversion rate. Wow, that was a mouthful. And again, when you're ready, hit exchange now. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.